大家好，欢迎来到 GoGo Chinese Class. Hello everyone, welcome to GoGo Chinese Class. 这里我们要学习 HSK 一级。Here we are going to study HSK Level 1. HSK 一级一共有150个字。HSK Level 1 has 150 words. 中国 China。 我在中国学习。I study in China. 我想去中国。I want to go to China. 北京 Beijing. 北京很大。Beijing is very big. 大王是北京人。大王is from Beijing. 美国 America. 他是美国人。He is American. 我喜欢美国。I like America. 上 up above. 我的书在桌子上。My book is on the table. 衣服在椅子上。Clothes are on the chair. 下 under below. 你的书在桌子下。Your book is under the table. 小毛在椅子下。The kitten is under the chair.
Hope you liked our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook as GoGo Chinese Class. Also, share it with others.